Hey everyone, happy Friday. I am so excited to see you today. I have recorded this week and I'm excited to share with you a new free one block pattern that you'll print out 4 times. It is FPP, but it's really easy. If you wanted to do it traditional piecing, I will not be offended. It will still make a beautiful block. Won't By the time the papers are out and everything, won't be able to tell the difference. It is all up to you. But it is, because we are inching towards the spring, I did a 4-leaf clover, kind of an abstract-y FPP version of it, but I used Lori Holt's Shabby, and I really like how, it almost looks to me as I'm looking at it, it looks like it's like shiny or sparkly, the way the fabrics, the different texture she put on the fabric, but it's not textured, it's just the coloration of the fabric. But that's my little 4-leaf clover. The pattern is listed in the description below over on my website, where I've got a couple of other free patterns, like the tumble block and the whirlwind, I'm pretty sure, and other patterns that you may want to take a look at and purchase for yourself. But this one is a totally free. You just print it 4 times and you spin it 4 times. So it's really easy. Just a cute, and there's all the papers in the back. Cute little one block wonder where that's it and you're done. I don't think it took me 30 minutes to, like, after I had all the fabric cut and everything. So pretty quick, and a cute little St. Patrick's Day welcome spring little block. I'm going to show you how I put the block together and how I put the sections all together and everything, and I will do that video right now. All right, so we are working on a new free little pattern, the Clover block. It is a 4.5 inch square that you just print the cover page 4 times so that you can make the finished block. And we're gonna go ahead and I'll do one of them all the way through, and then I'll come back and I'll show putting them together, and then the 2 together, and then I'll show the 4 together, and then I'll show the final block. All right, so here we go. All right, so as easy as that, you end up with a cute little 4-leaf clover. I hope you all enjoy it. I hope you take a stab at it if you've never done FPP before. I hope you, even if you've done FPP a million times, a million different ways, I hope you go ahead and try. It's a nice palate cleansery type of thing. Not a lot going on because it's all, really like rectangles and some triangles, and that's it. It's a really simple little sew. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you run into any issues, let me know. It's awesome scrap buster, which I am all about. So if you are around this weekend and if you wake up in time, we are losing an hour for springing forward, which is going to wreak havoc on my body, but it happens every year. For those of you that don't do it, please talk some sense into the government. But this Sunday, I'm going to sew the first month of the Sophia sew along, which is Legit Kit's old-fashioned vintage sewing machine. And so I'm going to sew that on Sunday, the first 2 months. I may not get through all of the 2 months worth during the live. It's 11 a.m. Eastern time, but remember we've sprung forward, so it's really 10 a.m. So not fun. But that's what I'll be working on Sunday. I know that they had paused the signups for the Sophia sew along because of getting fabric in. There was a shortage of fabrics. Then they weren't able to fulfill, if they'd kept it open, they wouldn't have been able to fulfill all of the orders. So take a look to see if it's back up again. As of right now, it wasn't, but yeah, definitely take a look and see. I will put a link to that in the description as well. If it's open. That is an affiliate link, just, fair warning. You don't get charged anything extra. I just get a little bit of change for sending you on over. But it's a really cute sewing machine. So, and I don't have it right here. Poor planning on my part to show you what it looks like, but it's super cute. Maybe I'll pop a picture of it in here too, so that you can see. But that's what I'll be doing on Sunday. So hopefully you can join me. Thank you, everybody. Happy spring. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And I will talk to you on Sunday. Bye now.